Hello, dear aspirants. How are you all? Good. So, without wasting the time, let's start this journey of being a fellow traveler with you guys. With mathematics optional, we are already doing beyond our expectations. So with this GS part, what I'm gonna do is, let me make the plan more clear, and today I'll start the lecture 1, means the starting part of that topic. So what I realized is many of you, whoever the mathematics optional doesn't matter. Matter of fact is, whatever optional you carry in this phase of time, like November onwards, many of you struggle, and don't think this is hypothetical. This is practical. Being an aspirant the previous years, and now it's being a mentor, I talk to students and I tried to get what actually they are going through. So the thing is, the confusion is, sir, how to cop up the GS preparation with the optional. GS4 should be done or not? Answer writing should be done or not? Should I be prelims focused completely now? So such questions comes, and not with you only, it comes with every aspirant. So what I promised earlier is that this November onwards, I'll be a aspirant like teacher for you, okay? The mentor, actual mentor. So here I'm gonna do is, let's say next 10 days we are doing geography, and I'll finish it, okay? I'll tell you how to. After that, history, polity, economy. So these 4 segments, okay? So let's say we take next 2 months to complete these 4 months. So after January onwards, what we'll be doing, we will be repeating these topics again. So let's say this time I'm taking 10 days or 10 lectures for geography. In the second iteration, I will take 4 lectures for geography. And in the third iteration, that will be March onwards. So like directly tackling the prelims. Getting my point? How to tackle the current affair now? That is a big question. Yesterday only some student was there, Alia, I guess. So I told her कि current affairs में I have my ways till February 23. Till February 23 we will cover the current affair, and you will have no regret, believe me. So how to cop up this current with all topics? So this series is targeting towards that. Okay, where is the duster? Chal. So let's start the lecture 1 for this lecture series. I call it as mindset makers. Please focus here. If you are starting your preparation, if you are a new student, I may tell you in what manner you have to prepare. Okay. Moreover, this lecture series is going to be focused on those aspirants who have covered their basics of static part. Now, how to retain, how to develop a skill to recall whatever the content, whatever the knowledge you carry, how to deliver that in the exam hall, how to revise. Getting my point? So I am not gonna teach you what, bache? I'm not gonna teaching you, just I will tell you कि how to do the analysis of PYQs. Focus on the word analysis of PYQs. What I mean by it, according to me, if you are not addressing demand of the exam, nothing is going to happen in your life. So demand of the exam, what I mean when I do the analysis of PYQs. How to do that? That I'm going to teach you. So we will be focusing on this segment. After doing analysis, how to develop that skill, recall and retaining. That is the most important part in this preparation. For that, we will practice questions. What bache? We will practice questions. I will tell you sources from where you have to do this practice. Clear hai? The plan is clear or not? Chal. Okay. So the topic 1 which I am gonna teach you is, not teach you, mindset making, okay, is geography. In the geography segment, we will have two segments, segment 1 and segment 2. And this is how you have to revise. First segment will be physical geography plus world geography, and the second segment will be Indian geography. Within this segment, there will be some lectures. Let's say lecture 1, you can say origin of earth, or you can say universe. This I'm gonna deal today. इसके बाद में planet system, this is sub part for this planet system. Then the second chapter will be completely focused on earth now. First, understanding the things, how the universe comes into the picture, how questions are being asked from here in this segment. Yes, questions are being asked. Earth के case में all the 3 segments will have to cover: oceanography, atmosphere, so here I will do the analysis how the questions are being asked. Now the most important part is observing these segments, observing these terminologies in the word map. Here I'll mark star. What you aspirant do, you do blunders actually. I will tell you in the coming lectures. In the map side, everything need not be crammed, everything need not be marked up. We have to understand through the options of a question analysis that how the questions are being framed. Why the South China Sea or the Southeastern Asian or this Malacca Strait wala region or the Mediterranean, why those are always being asked somewhere directly or indirectly. So we need to grasp that. Am I clear to you all? Fine. So when I talk about universe, this is clear? Chalo. That is the topic 1 of lecture 1. So when I talk about universe, now we are starting the class, okay? This was just introduction, how we'll move on. When I talk about universe, so what you need to know, how this came into picture, okay? So there you will have 2 concepts, एक तो monistic और एक dualistic. for prelims purpose, I'm saying for prelims purpose, you should have just a basic understanding of some one or two models of like Kant's Laplace, ठीक है, binary star theory. So there are some 3 to 4 models in these two segments in which you have just a general understanding needed. Okay, although they are not focusing much over here in these concepts, but you should be aware about these concepts. So mindset making का first point is यूनिवर्स का एग्जिस्टेंस या कमिंग इनटू पिक्चर, मोनिस्टिक और डुअलिस्टिक, एकात्म और द्वैत, समथिंग लाइक दैट. Here conceptually you have only thing. Monistic means there was some big thing, star, or you can say from here everything is coming into picture. In the dualistic model what they do, they said कि there were two things and from that rest of the things came into the picture. Prelims purpose, no need to do PhD here, just general understanding. Okay, the next part from this universe wala chapter, wherever you are studying, doesn't matter, the next part will be star wala. Okay, so like Milky Ways and galaxies. Please focus on these words and you have to make your mindset like this only. Okay, stars, how they come, ultimately the word is Big Bang now, because although these are traditional models, but now we are completely focusing on this Big Bang theory. So Big Bang theory, what we need to do, we need to have just a basic understanding of some terms. Okay, like galaxies. Here you can have a process of formation of a star to the death of a star. How they comes into the picture, red giant, black giant, supernova, dwarf or neutron star. ठीक है, so such words you just have the basic understanding. ओके बच्चे, चंद्रशेखर लिमिट, ठीक है, what it is, 1.4 approx of solar mass. Fine. So from this segment you have to have the basic understanding for these terms. Now I am coming on the final point for this particular topic, universe wala. The final point based on PYQ's analysis. What बच्चे? Based on PYQ's analysis, before this 2000, like 1990s, 95, they used to ask some questions from this process, but now they are not focusing on that. They means UPSC. Now what they are doing is, please focus. Anything, please focus here, anything related with above concepts in news, like you will be listening day-to-day activities, singularities, singularities, event horizon, black holes. So such things are always in news because research is going on the things. So we need to have an eye over these current happenings. What बच्चे? And again mindset making का part, PhD is not required कि okay singularities is what, event horizon के लिए 5 pages का notes you are studying, not required. Thing is, you should have a just basic understanding कि okay, if someone is asking this term is related to what, अब you don't say कि this term is related to cryptocurrency. Okay. So such basic understanding is needed here. Is that clear or not? This is the current pattern of UPSC. Fine. Now, what usually we are doing, following the current affairs magazine, and we are trapped. So to make out of you from the trap, what I say, planets पे research going on. Let's say some new planet, Kepler this 222, this thing, this Kepler or that Kepler. No need to remember those names, all those technical names, okay? Because I found many aspirants are always remembering, sir ये वाला planet नया मिल गया है, this वाला planet नया मिल गया है. No बच्चे, you have to just focus. If anything conceptually comes out from that research, then you should have a basic understanding of that. That's it. क्योंकि रोज रोज 75 का तरह के ये जो प्लैनेट्स मिलेंगे उनको याद नहीं किया जा सकता. क्लियर कट एकदम. सो दिस इज द पहले चैप्टर का माइंडसेट मेकिंग. आई गेस नाउ यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम गोना डिलीवर इन दिस लेक्चर सीरीज. इज दैट क्लियर और नॉट? सो in the next chapter what we will do is, let's say there is a chapter solar system. The next chapter is solar system. So here you will have planets, all planets like Jupiter, Mars, Saturn and all. Okay, I will suggest you just a childlike understanding. What बच्चे, जो 6th to 7th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे में एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, जस्ट हैव दैट मच अंडरस्टैंडिंग ओनली, नथिंग एक्स्ट्रा नीडेड. फोकस ऑन if anything in the news, the current affair for particular planet, let's say for Mars something is going on and some like big research is there, then you need to have an eye over that, not PhD required. Okay, rest of the planet Earth. So Earth के बारे में तो we have to do the analysis for this geography also. तो ना, Earth के लिए तो हमें पूरा geography पढ़ना ही है. Is that clear or not? So for this, like this. Next, what I can suggest is from this origin of universe, the basic terms or basic understanding of some physics or chemistry like properties. Like if someone says कि light is being scattering property, na, atmosphere is black, or some like it is looking like black or blue or something like that. So that is the scattering property of light. What? Scattering property of light. So such general awareness you should have. Based on that you can tackle the questions from this segment. Is that clear? So the next mindset making will be earth के केस में longitude, latitude and all those things, rocks, that we will do in the next lecture. Good luck.